Welcome back guys, and in this tutorial I'm going to tell you something about the ringtone of Samsung phone. Means if you want to set the ringtone for any person, and that too different for every person, how can it will be done? Is it possible? Yes, is it very much possible? And how will it be done? I will show you in this video. So welcome back guys, and not wasting much of your time, I would like to request you kindly consider to subscribe this channel. Please let us go to the topic. If you want to set the ringtone of any particular person, just go to the contacts. Here just go to the contacts, and then select the I have created one phone number just like that to show you. Just select it, push the edit button, and then select the view more, and here you will see the, when you will go down, you will see ringtone option, and from here you can select any ringtone depending upon your choice for that person. This can be done for different persons. You can save. Now sunlight will be saved. You can see here sunlight is saved as a ringtone for this person. So if you have installed another application of contact, suppose I have another application, I will show you this contact, then how it will be done. Just enter it, just open it, tap on the three dots here, and then set ringtone. Now you can select any ringtone depending upon your choice. So here set ringtone, and then circus is selected for this person. So this is the way by which you can select the different ringtones for the different persons in Samsung mobile. So this is all about today's tutorial. This is A31, and this is for A31, and this is valid for another model of Samsung also. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much guys.